I play tag and you it for life. Yikes, you a clown, you do it for likes. Yikes, yes it's tight, but it doesn't bite. Rip it right, he be like, yikes, what's the hype? This is something light. Yikes, out of town on consistent flights. Yikes, work hard, just a different way. Get your life, you bitches ain't living right.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Ituselekisho, back again with another amazing video on my new segment, Masking Mondays. Today I decided to do a turmeric mask because turmeric is literally amazing for everything. It is good for your skin. It helps with brightening, tightening your pores, reducing inflammation, evening out your skin tone. It's basically a miracle powder for your skin. This is literally one of my favorite DIY masks to make, so I thought I should share it with you. Before we get into the video, I would just like to warn you that turmeric does dye and it does stain. So please don't wear any of your cute clothes when you are making this mask or have white nails on because it is not going to be cute. For this mask, you will need turmeric powder, which you can get at any grocery stores, some plain yogurt. I had double cream in the fridge, so I used that. Some honey. Please use raw honey if you have that because that works wonders. A lemon. If you don't have a lemon in your fridge and you have apple cider vinegar, you can use that. I prefer to use apple cider vinegar unless I don't have it in the fridge. You are going to need a bowl to mix all these amazing ingredients in together, as well as a teaspoon and a tablespoon. We are going to be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric into our bowl. I just like to add that turmeric is really good for acne and eczema. You can either use a lemon or apple cider vinegar. Like I said earlier, I opted to use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has properties which help increase the blood flow to your skin. It minimizes pores. It regulates your pH skin level, which is really, really good, as well as removing acne and scars. We are putting in just a teaspoon of that apple cider vinegar. We are going to add the pure honey into our mixture. We are going to add a tablespoon and a half because honey is that girl she thinks she is. Honey is literally so amazing for your skin. It helps your skin absorb and retain moisture, which keeps it from drying out. Honey is packed with natural antioxidants, which help protect, repair, and prevent skin damage. Honey also is calming to the skin. See why I say it's amazing? We will be adding just a teaspoon of that plain yogurt to our mixture. Plain yogurt contains an acid that I actually can't pronounce, so I'm going to put it up on the screen. This acid basically dissolves dead skin cells. It helps moisturize your skin. It also creates a natural glow and prevents breakouts. I'm just mixing everything together and we will head over to the bathroom to put this on our face. Using a brush, I am going to put our mixture on my face. Please, please, please do not use your fingers because the turmeric does dye your fingers and your nails will be looking yellow. Nothing cute about that. We're going to let the mask sit in for 10 minutes, then wash it off.
11 minutes later.
We're just gonna wash off our turmeric mask, and as you can see, I'm happy by the results. As always, I literally love this mask. If you do not see a difference from the start of this video till now, girl, bye. Girl, you're lying. Girl, you're a hater. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now, and I will see you in the next video. Love and light. God bless. Bye.